This is the easiest and quickest way how to flip or invert your whole table in Apple numbers without affecting your header rows. So first of all, you want to create a new column like that. Then you start numbering your rows, starting with the first row you want to invert. So I type here 1, then 2, 3, and so on. And now you can just select these numbers and drag the little yellow dot all the way to the bottom. This way you just number the rows automatically. So I want to flip them until here. And now all I have to do is just do a right click, sort rows descending. Now sometimes you find yourself unable to select these options. They are just grayed out without any explanations. And the simple reason for that is that somewhere in your selection you have merged cells. So all you have to do is pressing the option Unmerge all cells. And now you can right click again and you see that you can select these options.